Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Since my last video, the post-breakout retest from the earlier symmetrical triangle has now fully played out. The price slipped below the retest zone near 102.8 thousand and found temporary support around 101.6 thousand. The inability to reclaim the 103,000 level confirms a short-term loss of upward momentum, moving the market into a corrective phase after the recent upside expansion. Right now, Bitcoin is consolidating within a tight range between 101.5 and 102.3 thousand, forming a minor base after the decline from the 104,000 area. The rejection near that zone aligned with the 200 exponential moving average and prior structural resistance, showing that the previous upward move lacked sustainable follow-through. Momentum indicators have softened. The wave trend indicator is still within its lower band, but has started curving upward, hinting at a possible short-term recovery attempt. The MACD histogram is flattening after a strong downward expansion, while the RSI has stabilized near 40, showing reduced selling pressure but not yet indicating solid reversal energy. Structurally, Bitcoin is now in a post-breakout correction within a wider consolidation range. If buyers manage to reclaim and hold above 102.8 thousand, that would signal absorption of supply and could reopen upside levels toward 103.6 and 104.5 thousand. On the other hand, continued weakness below 101.5 thousand uncovers the next significant liquidity zone, near the psychological 100,000 mark, which lines up with prior high-volume support. In essence, Bitcoin remains in a retracement stage after an overextended breakout, as the market resets, positioning before the next strong directional move. Volatility compression around current levels suggests the structure is coiling and may soon resolve decisively once larger market flows return near the 102,000 area. Now let's check the heat maps. On the one-day view, the level at 100.9 thousand has been cleared, with the next hot zone sitting higher at about 105.4 thousand. On the 3-day view, both 102.3 and 101.1 thousand have been wiped out, leaving the active clusters above at 105.5, 106.6, and 107.7 thousand. Looking at Bitcoin spot ETF flows, yesterday recorded a negative session with roughly 241 million in outflows, mostly from the same issuers who had added heavy inflows the day before. The current recovery from around 101.6 thousand, which was the former triangle apex level from last week, is important. Prices now move back toward 102.4 thousand, and maintaining momentum here will be key. Bitcoin needs to reclaim and close above 105,000 to avoid forming a lower high pattern, and a decisive break above 106.4 thousand would open the path back toward 108.5 thousand and beyond. I'll continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time insights. Thanks for leaving a comment. It really helps the channel grow. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.